3, go.
One day, a lonely dragon went to a castle to find some friends. So he starts flying over to the castle, and he goes inside the castle window. There, he sees a princess. He asks the princess if she wants to be his friend. The princess says, "Ah! Dragon!" And then the princess goes to the king, and she tells the king,
Rowan.
"Oh no! There's an evil dragon in the castle!
No.
In the castle!
We can't see the king.
Oh, I thought I was supposed to do dialogue. And then the king goes to the knight, and then the king says, well, Mr. Knight, you need to go slay that dragon."
Why?
And he's like, "Okay, I'll do it." So he gets on his trusty steed and he rides off into the forest. So he's riding along, and then he finds a witch. He asks the witch where the dragon is, and the witch says, "He's over that way, into the forest." And then he goes along, and basically he goes and finds the dragon sleeping in a cave. He gets off his steed, and he goes and sneaks up to the dragon. Right when he's about to take out his sword, the dragon wakes up. Don't kill me! I just want some friends. And then he says, "I wish I could just have some friends, and I wish everyone would stop thinking I'm this big scary dragon." And then the fairy godmother comes up and says to the knight, "That dragon is a good dragon. The evil witch you saw over there, that way, was an evil witch who turned this prince into a dragon." And then the witch is like, "No, don't listen to him! Don't listen to that little fairy godmother! That is an evil dragon! Do you hear me? Evil! Evil!" And then the fairy godmother says, "No, he's not evil. That witch is evil." And then, poof! She turns the dragon into a majestic prince. A majestic prince. Well, toodaloo. And then the prince and the knight and go back to the castle,
And they find out that the king has died.
Plot development. So he gets on his trusty steed.
prince behind them, chucks off to the castle. So they're going out to the castle and then see the castle. And then they both hop off. And then they climb up to the princess. And the princess says, who's this handsome prince I see right now? And then the prince comes up to her and says, I was the dragon who accidentally scared you earlier.
And I'm also your brother.
So you're that dragon who scared me? Why didn't you tell me you were a prince? Because no one believes me.
And I actually forgot.
Yeah, I kind of forgot too. What? So they both gather up all of the prince's loot and stuff in the forest. So they travel off to the forest where they grab the stuff, the money and gold and everything, and then they go back to the castle. And now they're more rich. Now they're really rich, and they
Don't care anymore.
and then they decide
To give it alterity?
Ow.
to live. They decide to live in the most
Elegant?
Yeah.
elegant
Yeah.
room in all of the whole entire castle.
The end.
And the prince and the princess live happily ever after. The end.
Yay!
Yep.